In this lecture, we will discuss the changes in the transaction codes of cash position and liquidity forecast, which have been replaced by SAP Fiori. And cash position and liquidity forecast are the part of financial supply chain management. So where is this change? In SAP ECC, if we go to accounting and financial supply chain management, cash and liquidity management, then we go to information system, reports for cash management, liquidity analysis, and we have got these two transaction codes, FF7A and FF7B. So if we want to see these transaction codes in SAP S/4HANA, so I will check and see whether these transaction codes exist or not. So go to accounting, financial supply chain management, cash and liquidity management, and you will notice the differences in the folders. We don't have any folder information system under this cash and liquidity management main folder. We have got this transaction FF7AN and FF7BN, but we don't have these two transaction codes because these two transaction codes have been replaced by SAP Fiori apps. Which are those apps? The first one is cash position and the second one is liquidity forecast. So I will show you this in SAP Fiori. So I am in SAP Fiori, and if I want to see the apps for cash position and liquidity forecast, so you will notice that there is an app called cash position. At the moment it is loading. Just to add here that FF7A transaction code is used for cash position, and now that transaction code FF7A has been replaced by this app. Similarly, FF7B liquidity forecast has been replaced by the app liquidity forecast, which you can see on my SAP Fiori screen.